Welcome to Bal Vatika. Today we are going to learn something new. What? About colors. See, what do you see? Oh, so many colors. It's so beautiful, isn't it? Right? Yes. See, some like this, like that is yellow, orange, red, pink, blue and black also. See, black is crying. Right? Now, and one by one we will learn all the colors. Okay? First one, see, red color. What is the color of an apple? An apple is red. This is red color. Next one, black. What is the color of a crow? The crow is black. Next, see, orange. Now tell me, what is the color of an orange? An orange is orange. Do you like orange? Yes, I also like orange. Now next with what? Yellow. Then what is the color of the sun? The sun is yellow. Yellow color, yellow sun. What comes after yellow color? Purple. What is the color of brinjal? The brinjal is purple. Now next, sky blue. What is the color of the sky? The sky is blue. Yes. Now white. What is the color of an egg? An egg is white. And oh, see, very beautiful flower is a pink color. What is the color of a lotus? Lotus is a pink. Next, green. What is the color of a leaf? A leaf is green. Yummy. It's a chocolate, brown. What is the color of a chocolate? A chocolate is a brown. I like so much yummy chocolate. So these all are what? These all are colors. You know the song, you know the rhyme of the rainbow? Okay, first tell me, how many colors in the rainbow? There are 7 colors in the rainbow. So this is rainbow. 7 colors, very beautiful. So did you enjoy? Okay, so like, share and subscribe and write your comment in comment box. Thank you so much. Bye bye.